Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, we will see what are the differences between SEO, that is search engine optimization, and PPC, which is pay per click, and which is the one you should choose. So let's get started. Once you have created your website, you need to do some work to market your website to a targeted audience. There are many different ways to market your website. We'll take a look at search engine optimization and pay per click, or in other words, SEO and paid advertising. Both methods have their own pros and cons. So let's analyze the pros and cons and see which is the one you should choose. First, let's talk about SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a set of techniques used by webmasters to make your website rank to the top on search engines for a particular keyword. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons of SEO. One of the main pros of search engine optimization is that it is free unless you pay for an agency to do the SEO for you. You just have to follow some SEO techniques and create content that is interesting to the search engines, and you will find a place in the Google search results. Since SEO is organic, you will earn more credibility and people will know that you have good content or product because you rank high for that particular keyword. The traffic that you get from SEO is called organic traffic. This is considered to be the most valuable traffic for your website. Everyone that visits your website does it by exactly knowing what they want. If you plan and write great quality content on your website, you can have a paying customer for your website from the traffic. The results that you get from SEO is organic and it will last longer than paid advertising. Once your website ranks for a certain keyword on a search engine, it won't be replaced easily by other websites if you continually work on your content. So you can have long-term results when you go with SEO. When you do SEO, you should make up your mind that you won't get results right away. It takes time for you to get some good results with search engine optimization. You have to do some experiments and then test and see whether those have worked. If they haven't, then you need to make some changes and do some other experiments and see whether that works. So in this way, it can take a lot of time for your website to get good traffic with search engine optimization. SEO can be a difficult job at times, especially for beginners in the field. Google does some major updates on their search ranking algorithms on regular intervals, which can force you to reconsider the techniques you are using for the SEO of your website. Google doesn't make algorithms public, so you have to do a lot of research to find out from experimenting what are the factors that Google looks at when ranking websites for a keyword. So this can prove to be difficult for you at times. PPC stands for pay per click. It is basically paid advertising you do for your website. Let's take a look at the pros of PPC. One of the main reasons why companies go for PPC is to get quick results. Yes, if you want to achieve results quickly, you need to use paid advertising. PPC is guaranteed to give you a certain number of page views depending on the campaign you have set without fail. The more you spend on advertising, the more traffic you will get. The other benefits of using PPC is that you can target a specific region to show your ads. When using SEO, you cannot control where the visitors can come from. But with PPC, you have complete control on where your visitors can come from. You can target many different things. You can also customize your campaign and set what time of the day your ads should be shown to the visitor. The traffic that you get with PPC is measurable. You can know exactly whether you are on the way of making profit or not. So in this way, you can make some minor changes to your ad campaign. Alright, now let's talk about the cons of PPC. The first drawback is that it is not free. The price can increase a lot if you want to have a large number of page views. So you should be aware of that. Sometimes you may also need to hire an expert to set up a successful ad campaign for you so that you will get the most out of it. It may cost you way higher for a keyword that is competitive enough. The other drawback you can have with paid advertising is that once you stop your ad campaign, you will lose all your traffic instantly. Because those ads used to provide you traffic whenever someone searched for that keyword on Google. So for continued results with PPC, you have to keep on spending more money. You also need to have an idea of how PPC works and how to set up a profitable campaign. This is really important because if you do it wrong, it can be insanely costly for you and you will not get any conversions from the traffic. So it would be better if you hire an expert if you can afford that. Now that you know the pros and cons of SEO and PPC, you should be able to choose the one you want. SEO is a long-term thing, so I think you should try your best to bring your traffic with SEO. But if you don't have much time and you want to reach out to a specific audience, then paid advertising is your best friend. So now that you've seen the pros and cons of both SEO and PPC, let me know in the comments below what you think about them. And if you found this video to be useful, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.